Hello friends, today we are dealing with the reversible inhibitors. In this, first is competitive inhibition. This type of inhibition occurs when the inhibitor binds reversibly to the same site that the substrate would normally occupy and therefore competes with the substrate for that site. That is either enzyme substrate or enzyme inhibitor complex can be formed. Then what is the effect on maximum velocity? The effect of competitive inhibitor is reverse by increasing the substrate concentration. At a sufficiently high substrate concentration, the reaction velocity reaches the maximum velocity observed in the absence of inhibitor. Effect on Km. A competitive inhibitor increases the apparent Km for a given substrate. This means that in the presence of competitive inhibitor, more substrate is needed to achieve half maximum velocity. The example of these competitive inhibitors include malonic acid, sulfa drugs such as sulfanylamide and sulfadiazine. This is the diagrammatic representation of competitive inhibitor in which substrate and inhibitor compete for the active site. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.